Hey there and happy holiday everyone! Welcome to my first YouTube video. I am so excited to finally share my art journey with you. My name is Xatutik and I am a beginner artist and creator. Well, almost beginner. I absolutely love drawing and sketching, and today I want to take behind the scene of my very first big project, my entry for the WEBTOON Contest 2025. Yay! So while you're watching me sketch, I'll be talking through my process. Right now, I am in the brainstorming phase where I am experimenting with different ideas for my main character's face. This is all about trial and error, just figuring out what feels right. I am starting with the basics like eyes, nose, mouth, things that will define her personality. I am not focusing on getting everything perfect right now. This is all about exploring options and seeing which face features match the vibe I want for her. It's like a puzzle where you keep trying different pieces until everything clicks. You can see I am trying out a few different shapes for her eyes and nose just to see what feels like to represent her best. Is she someone who looks bold and confident, or maybe a little mysterious and shy? It all comes down to small details like this, and that's what makes character creation so fun. Each face I draw gives me a better idea of who she may be. Maybe one version of her eyes makes her look a bit more determined, while another set of features could make her feel more approachable and kind. I am looking for that balance of shade and warmth. Now let's talk about her hair. Hair is such a big part of a character identity. It can tell you a lot about who they are and how they move through the world. So here, I am sketching out a few different styles: long, short, curly, straight, you name it. With every hairstyle I try, I am thinking about how it might reflect her personality. Does she wear her hair long because she is free-spirited? Or maybe she keeps it short and practical because she is more focused and determined? I am also thinking about how the hair may change depending on her mood or the situations she is in. Again, this is all about experimenting and having fun with it. I am not lacking anything in just yet. This part is all about finding the right vibe for her. I am still in the brainstorming phase, but each sketch is getting me closer to the final version of her. It's not always about getting things perfect on the first try. It's about exploring all the possibilities until you find the one that feels just right. Right? I'd love to know, what do you think of these sketches so far? Which version of the face and hair do you like? Drop me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I always open to new ideas and feedback. If you're enjoying this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I am planning to share more videos like this, where I take you through my process, character designs and progress on the WEBTOON contest, of course. I love for you to stick around and join me on this artistic journey. Thanks so much for watching my first video. I hope my accent isn't making it hard to understand me. I'll try my best to speak clear next time, but no promises. It's hard, you know. But I do my best, of course. I can't wait to share more with you as I continue developing my character and working on my WEBTOON. Stay creative, stay inspired, and I see you in the next video. Bye for now and happy holidays again. Bye bye.